In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram account in ManyChat. We'll walk through removing the Instagram account currently connected to your ManyChat workspace, and then adding a new one, so everything keeps running smoothly. By the end, you'll understand exactly what happens during the switch and how to complete it confidently. First, we'll disconnect the existing Instagram account. Start by logging in to ManyChat and opening your dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Instagram to access your Instagram channel configuration. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Remove Instagram Account. Click Remove and you'll be asked to confirm. Type the word Remove in all caps, then click Confirm. Before you proceed, it's important to understand what this action does. Removing the Instagram account from ManyChat deletes all Instagram contacts that were stored inside your ManyChat workspace for that account. This does not affect your Instagram followers or messages on Instagram itself, but it does permanently remove the Instagram contact records in ManyChat. Once you confirm, the connection is severed, and any automations or inbox routing that depended on that Instagram link will stop until a new account is connected. Next, let's connect the new Instagram account. Go to My Profile in ManyChat, typically found under your avatar or name in the top corner. Click Manage Accounts to open your connected channels and workspaces. Choose Plus Add New Account, then select Instagram from the list of channels. Click Go to Instagram, which will open the Instagram authorization page. Log in to the new Instagram account you want to connect. If your browser is already signed into Instagram, double-check you're using the correct handle before continuing. When prompted, click Allow Permissions. Granting permissions lets ManyChat access messaging features and connect your automations to that Instagram account, so your flows, keywords, and inbox can work as intended. Once permissions are allowed, the new Instagram account is connected to ManyChat. From this point on, new Instagram conversations will sync to your workspace under the new account. Remember, contacts from the previous connection were deleted when you removed it, so your ManyChat Instagram audience starts fresh. If you rely on specific automations, make sure they're designed to run on the Instagram channel so they can engage your audience from the new connection right away. That's it for changing your Instagram account in ManyChat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick reminder.